everyone, today I'm doing a eye makeup tutorial inspired by the 4th of July and fireworks. So this is the look that I did. Okay, so I have already applied Urban Decay's Primer Potion and NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And I'm going to start off by applying a red eyeshadow. I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to take a shader brush and pat this onto my brush. And I'm going to apply this on my eyelid, but not anywhere near the crease. And I'm not going to blend this, I'm just going to pat this on my lid. Like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is take a white, this one, and I'm also going to apply this. I'm going to put this right above the red. So after I have that, I'm going to pick up a big fluffy brush and using the same white, apply this under my brow, and I'm going to take it in and also in my tear duct, like this. Then I'm going to take a crease brush and take a blue. I'm going to mix this one and this one. And I'm going to put this in my crease. And I'm going to start blending it out so it doesn't look like a harsh line. And then I'm going to mix the red and the blue together as well as the white and just give it a shape. I'm also blending this blue out so it doesn't look too harsh. So it looks like that. Then I am going to take a cream eyeshadow. You can take any cream eyeshadow you have. I'm taking like a pinkish one, and I'm going to apply this right on top of the red, just to make my eyelid a little bit more sticky. Okay, so when you have that, take any glitter. I'm just using like this glitter that I have. It's super glittery. And I'm taking a brush like this, and I'm going to pick up some glitter, and I'm going to apply this on the red, but not on the white or the blue. You can take any glitter that you have. This is gold glitter, so this makes it appear like fireworks, because when fireworks are in the sky, they usually look like gold. You can apply a lot of glitter if you want, or you can apply less, and you can also put this all over your lid if you want, or you can just do it on half of your lid. I just did it on half of my lid. Okay, so now that you have that, I'm going to take a blue liner by Jordana called Blue Divine and put this into my waterline and underneath my bottom lashes. Like this. Then I'm going to take a brush and mix the blue liner with the blue eyeshadow so that it's all connected. And then I'm going to take a liquid liner and I'm going to make a thin line. And since liquid liner can look a little bit harsh, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and apply this over the liquid liner just to make it a little bit more natural. I don't know if my camera can pick up on the eyeshadow colors, but they're very bright. But I don't know how they look on camera. I don't think they look as bright. And then you can apply false eyelashes or just curl your lashes however you want. I just like to curl my lashes and apply a mascara. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think it's kind of easy, so I hope that you guys try it out, and if you do, be sure to tweet me a picture of it on Instagram or Twitter, and yeah, so I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you try it out, and thanks for watching.